Trash? Little miss, where are you going? Your room is a mess. You got stuff all over the place. All these clothes.
Hey, cheese! Cheese! Stop it! Mommy.
You want a diaper?
Diaper.
You want a diaper and shoe?
Shoes?
I can get you a diaper and shoe. But you gotta be good. I got you a diaper. Why don't you sit down?
Yay!
Yay.
For boy.
No, put it back. Put it back.
Howie. Hey, Howie.
Put it back.
Now they do. Wait, shine.
You can go outside. Good. Yay. I was going to have Nick check the front door for a delivery that I ordered from Walmart. Jasmine needed some new bottles, and then I went ahead and ordered some twins bottles. So it's just a couple of bottles coming. So I told him check the front door, and actually the stuff his dad sent us for the baby shower gifts has just arrived. So we're about to open those, and y'all get to see this unboxing. Then by the time we're opening up those, we should get the bottles too. So we're just 10 more minutes until the bottles get here. So I'm gonna do this unboxing with Nick, and I'm also gonna make some cold coffee. I'm allowed to have coffee as long as it's like less than 120 milligrams of caffeine or something like that, but I never drink more than a cup. That's my daughter hitting the door. But I never make more than a cup, so don't worry, I'm good. But Nick wants some coffee too, so we're gonna make some. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Wipes for days.
Wipes. Nice.
I just ordered wipes from Walmart too.
Nice.
But we can't have too many, to be honest. Those ones can probably go in the shed, or maybe we start stacking them along that wall or something.
Yeah.
Second box.
Feels like wipes too, not gonna lie.
Probably.
But it's in a different box. There it is wipes.
Wipes for days. Your dad said, y'all gonna need these.
Nice. No.
How many wipes did your dad send?
2,800?
Oh, but with mine, it's 4,000.
Yeah.
Well, just making some cold coffee. My secret recipe is about a cup or a little bit more than a cup of coffee, some caramel sauce, some vanilla creamer, bit of milk, and brown sugar. Then just blend it. With ice cubes, or you can freeze the coffee. Either way. The cold coffee was a success. Nick's being mean to me off camera, so I'm not talking to him. But I'm gonna finish this. This is like my cup and a half. This is half a cup, and I already had a whole cup.
Say it with a straight face. You can't even say it
Okay,
with a
I'm not even gonna do this with you.
Yeah, good job.
I'm going outside to grab the bottles.
How many damn bottles did you get? Holy cow. Woo!
Okay.
Yeah, rapper.
When you're a girl dad.
Oh, look at these ones. These are the real ones. These are the real ones. Let me show you. Nice.
So we need to get rid of this box, maybe take it to Goodwill or something, bag up all those clothes and throw them in the trunk. And then we're gonna kind of revamp this garage into like a half man cave and then a half kids play area. So we're just going to do whatever we can to organize and get this area looking right. We have some laundry and stuff that needs to be done, but that'll get done later. We just need to focus on prioritizing what we have here and kind of cleaning up in here just a smidge. So we will see. Nick is on Ox, so let's see what he decides to play.
You can play whatever you want.
I was just gonna do an update because we're moving the living room table. There's only 3 of us that could sit at the table right now, so I figured let's move it, kind of open up this space for when we need to put the twins in here while we're cleaning the kitchen. Or at least when Nick's doing dishes, we could put the twins in the swings or bassinets, and then they can look at him while he's looking at them and clean everything. Swept the kitchen up a bit, and the garage is getting a facelift as well, putting some stuff in the attic. We just sprayed some roach away spray that I got on Amazon in the crevice of the garage door so that they die like upon trying to come in, or just wards them away or whatever it does. And I still need to clean off this bed, but since we're cleaning over there right now, the bed's got the dirt and it's gonna all move around as we finish up. But it's looking good so far. What are you doing over there, Nick?
Oh. Setting up my space.
Oh, your space. Well, good thing this garage is getting tidied up and cleaned up because it's been a minute and it's been overdue. The laundry room still is, pretend that's not there. But the garage itself looks really good. And I even went out of my way to cover up this recliner because the recliner was an eyesore. But now Nick's willing to keep the recliner because it's covered up with a nice sheet situation.
Yep.
Let's take a tour in Nick's space. Wonder what's going on over here.
Glad you asked, Sydney. So we have all this beautiful artwork that came with the area. Got the safe, got the water.
Beautiful artwork.
And yeah, I'm gonna put my chair right here. And my beautiful wife.
My hubby hubs. He was super resistant and hesitant to put his man cave gaming setup in the garage, guys. The amount of pushback I got was insane. And now I see him like doing little things to decorate the space and like making sure his Xbox is at the perfect 90-degree angle. It's very cute. I figured he'd come around once he like caught a vision of what I was talking about, but he was like, I don't want to be in the garage with the trying summers and the cold winters, and even though we have an AC unit in here, it's too loud, I don't want to use it. But he's come around and it's really close to the door, so anything that's going on in the house I feel like will circumvent or circulate into the house really well. And we also moved the dining room a bit, so that is good. The babies aren't going to get fed in here. It's not like a microwave for bottles next to the thing. This is just storage until the babies come. That's a double stroller. And then we got the 2 high chairs. Thank you. 2 high chairs for now. Everything else is just kind of like against the wall and like a storage kind of way. We're probably going to take that playpen, the spare one, over to my mom's house for when she babysits. And we have 2 bassinets, one in the living room, one in here, and then we have a twin bassinet. So Nick says he wants the twin bassinet in our bedroom. I keep telling him I want the 2 separate bassinets so that the twins can sleep separately. But, you know, we're just gonna have to roll with the punches and see how it goes, because neither one of us know how it's gonna be sleeping with the twins or anything, so that's its own thing. But yeah, everything's looking good in here, and when the twins come, we'll move everything out of this storage area and get her done. What once was here is now gone. It's crazy. It's like a whole new era. And Nick is sweeping up his hair because he gave himself a haircut the other day and neglected to sweep up. And then he's got this stuff that was under his gaming setup. Now his gaming setup's in his little man cave here. It's crazy. He was so against this. And now he loves it.
Yeah, but pretty soon I'm gonna want like maybe a back divider if I start streaming more. So
Yeah, get your subscribers up first. Let's not talk.
I got 602. What are you talking about?
Okay. So I'll see you guys in the next part of the vlog. We're done here.
I love how you act like your pickles are just gonna be Gestapos. And have to grill you for why you didn't go live when you said.
You'd be so surprised. You would be so surprised how much I get grilled about. Like, I thought you were gonna be live an hour ago. But we found the handle that goes to there, so that's awesome. Where did you put the dustpan? We're missing a dustpan. Oh no. Where is it?
Oh, it's right here.
Perfect. Yay! I was sweeping in the garage and I freaking threw my back out so bad. Like, it hurt. But my back was hurting earlier today. Nick rubbed it and I felt a little bit better. And then moving all this furniture and sweeping up and doing all the most did not help. And I knew that it wasn't going to help. So I was like, maybe I just won't go live tonight. But then I'm like, you know what? I'm going to go live tonight because I'm supposed to. Whatever, I'll power through my pained back. And, you know, just see how it goes. But it is what it is, guys. I'm always going to be hurting as a pregnant lady. One way or another. Whoa. It's like we're still 10 weeks out. Look at this guy.
Okay, relax.
When you failed physics.
Physics.
Oh shoot. Who is this? Oh shoot. Booty, booty, booty. Now we're gonna be waking up to this for the next 10 weeks.
Whew. Nice. Okay. Who ordered twins? Not us.
Express delivery for real.
Buy one, get one free.
Nice. Sticker. We're going to the store, right, Jazzy? Store. We're heading to the store. We left our eggs in the car for multiple days, so we're gonna get a refund on them and get some new eggs. And while we're here, I'll just grab some caramel sauce or whatever else we're running low on. So it works out. Look at this guy. He ate too many ghost pepper chips and now he's got a sore mouth and he's taking out his anger on everybody else.
Of course.
Let's go get those eggs.
Here.
We're gonna have to see.
Here.
Of course you were.
Hey Jasmine, look at that. Puppies.
Puppies.
Gotta get some burger buns. So we left our eggs in the trunk overnight for 2 days, and now we're looking for caramel sauce. We cannot find it, so we just got ice cream, the eggs, slider buns for burgers, and crab salad or whatever. But it's starting to look real bleak on the caramel sauce front. I don't know what Nick's looking at. Come on, baby.
What happened?
I'm showing the pickles that we're playing Minecraft for the vlog.
Oh.
We got a parrot, we got our house, it's a tree house, we got the crafting bench going, and then down here we got a furnace where we can cook stuff, and that's the ladder downstairs. There's a lot more stuff going on, but everything's in the works, so y'all gotta just stay tuned. We got everything organized up in here too. Those are the vines taking me up. That's my parrot, he's chilling, following me around. Nick has parrots too, he's just AFK right now because he's right here. But anyhowsies, why am I stuck on this ladder like this? Oh. Yeah, this is our area. We've got a nice garden going over here. A couple of traveler llamas. And then I just built this bridge, and we also have a fishing situation. Need to make a dock though. But yeah, it's all coming together so far. We've explored a cave, done a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It's very fun. I love Minecraft.
Should never have left her. Alright, use the workbench and let's get cooking.
The session's getting created. You can join up on me in a second.
What do you say?
You should be able to join up on me in a second.
Yeah.
It's getting created. I just chose continue though.
Yeah. It's okay. I'll join up for you a second.
Yeah.
Come on, kiss.
Mwah. Softy.